Temporarily, temporarily, temporarily. It means for a short time or not permanently. It's used to describe something that will change or end after a little while. Common meanings. 1. For a short period, something that lasts only for a little while. 2. Not permanent, something that is not meant to last forever. Examples. The store is temporarily closed for renovations. She temporarily moved in with her friend while her house was being fixed. The road is temporarily blocked due to construction. He is temporarily working at the cafe until he finds a full-time job. The internet connection is temporarily down. General usage. Used temporarily to talk about things that are meant to last only for a short time. It can describe situations, actions, or states that are not permanent. Tips for remembering. Visualize. Imagine pressing the pause button on a remote. The show is temporarily stopped but will continue soon. Connect. Think about times when you've done something for a short period, like a temporary stay at a friend's house or a temporary job. Practice. Use it in sentences to describe things that are happening for a short time. Fun fact. Did you know that the word temporarily comes from the Latin word temporarius, which means of time? It's related to the word temporary, which also describes something that only lasts for a limited period. Let's make some music. In life grand dance things change so fast, temporarily means it won't last. Like clouds that drift on a sunny day, they float away, then they've gone, they say. Hold on tight, but let it be. Some moments fade, like waves in the sea. So when you feel that time is near, remember temporarily it's not always clear. That's it for now. Thank you. Bye.